Hello guys, and welcome to Online Web Tutor presented by Wordpress team. I am Sanjay. We are learning WordPress Gutenberg tutorial for beginners. This is our part number 8. Inside this video session guys, we will see that adding widgets block to our page or page inside WordPress. If I back to browser, click on the menu of post, and inside this, click on add new. Let's say that we are going to create a post number something 8 as the video number. I am pressing tab button. Now let's add, and as we know that so far we had seen about common blocks, formatting, layout elements. In this case we are going to discuss about this widgets section. So what basically a widget is? A widget is a such type of functionality which should be added to a page or post to give some additional information. Before going to this widget section, let's open this tab. If I open a duplicate tab and go to this appearance, widgets here. Now inside this widget section, we have called archives, audio, calendar, categories, custom HTML, and so on. These are the widgets which we can add to our sidebars as well as footer of WordPress pages. Now the same inside this new WordPress, we have all these widgets section inside this a Gutenberg block. Click on these widgets. We have got archives, latest post, calendar, sort code, categories, latest comments, and so on. So if we click on this archives, it will give about the month-wise post what we have created. So click on this archives. So we have right now 2 months, that is March and February. The post we have created so far inside our database of these 2 months only. So that's why we have 2 months. Now inside this right hand side settings, the same settings we have what we have the widget setting, writing it here. If we go to this archives, let's say that I'm to add this archives to this footer 1, click on add widget, and here inside this archives we have, let's say, show post counts, display as drop down. The same two settings we have inside our right hand side called display as drop down and show post counts. So if I enable this drop down, now this is archive is now converted inside this drop down list. Click on publish this page, click on publish, open up this page into a new tab. If you go to the post page, and inside this post page, as we can see, we have a drop down. Back to admin panel. So this is all about using this drop down. Let's say that if we want to enable as something post count, click on update, back here, reload this page. Now go to this drop down. So here we have a drop down as well as the post count. This is what that in the March we have created 8 posts. In February we have created 4 posts. This is all about post counts. Back here. Now inside this, let's add another widget something. If I go to the widget section, next we have called latest posts. This will give all the posts what we have created in descending order. If we click on update, go here, reload this page. So we have the permalinks or let's say route of the latest created posts. Back to admin panel. Now let's say that along with these titles, we have extra settings at right hand side. If we want to show post content along with this post title, simply enable this tab, and as we have, let's say, post content. Also if we want to show about the post date, click on this, and here we have called the post date. Click on update button, back to front end, reload this page. So we have now post content as well as about created post date. This is all about using latest post widget section. Now if I click on this, remove block. Now let's say that if we click on this widget section, click on calendar. Now this calendar is the same functionality or the widgets what we are discussing, the same functionality what widgets we have here. Now if we save this update button, go to this front end, reload this page. Now this is all about displaying or showing a calendar inside any post or page. Back to admin panel. Now let's say that we have a e-commerce WordPress website. Inside that we have hundreds of categories. So again, if we go to this widget section, we have a categories here. If we see about the description, so it will display a list of all categories. So while adding this widget to our page, it will list all the categories what we have created inside this WordPress setup. Let's say that we have used some plugin which provides a sort code. Sort code is something a sort code which actually implements or add into a page, and it will render some bit of information related to that plugin. In case of contact form 7, if we place about the contact form 7 sort code, then it will generate a contact form. Inside our WordPress setup, if we have multiple comments along with the posts, so by using this latest comment, it will list all the latest comments of our post what we have inside our WordPress setup. Now if we click on this search, it will display a search box to our as a widget. Click on update, go to front end page, reload this page. Now as we have a search box, as we can see that if we search, let's say about post number 7, pressing enter, now it will list the details of post number 7. So this is all about the use of widgets as a block inside this Gutenberg. This widget section already we have inside old versions of WordPress as what we have seen here. But inside this new WordPress, widgets is now a block inside this listing of blocks. So inside this video session guys, if you went out, then please drop your comment. I will give my reply as soon as possible. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.